Okay, in this episode I am going to show you how to create controller for your thumb. Press spacebar on your keyboard, go to top view, take a nerve circle, go to create curve tool, open CV curve tool option, reset the tool, select linear, press X on your keyboard. This will turn on your snap to grid option and click one point here and another point here. Press enter, go to display, click shape, select the shape from your nerve circle, shift select your circle. See, first you have to select the shape, then to your circle. On your mail command type here parent -r -s, press enter. Now delete the extra shape node, hide the shape. Now see, this is now work as a single curve. Now scale this one just like this. Press D or insert key, press V to snap it just here. Again press D or insert key. Now move this one just here. Go to perspective view. Rotate this one 90 degree along x-axis. And 90 degree along y-axis. Again slightly scale. Press V to snap it to your first thumb joint. Go to modify, click freeze transformation. Rename this one as thumb 1. Controller. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and do the same. Which have you done for the other finger? Now for your thumb joint, controller have been created. Now deselect all. With deselected all or nothing selected, press Ctrl plus Z to create a null group and rename this one as hand. First, for your main joint chain, select the wrist joint and shift select your hand null group. Go to constraint, click parent constraint. Now select your hand group, try to move and see. It is not moving because nothing is here. So select all the index, all the finger controller, middle click and drag it to the hand group. That means your null group. Now delete the parent node which have you created recently. Now select the hand group. This time try to move and see. This time it is moving. Ctrl G to undo. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. select this joint. Sorry, first select this controller, shift select this joint, constraint, parent constraint, this controller, this joint, constraint, this controller and this joint, click constraint. Now this time select your hand group, rotate tool, try to rotate and see. This time it is moving correctly. Ctrl G to undo. Now if I select the elbow controller, try to rotate and see, it is destroying the joint is destroying its shape. To fix this, first select your main joint chain, wrist joint, the wrist joint from your main joint chain, shift select your hand group, go to constraint, click parent constraint. Now this time if I select this one, try to rotate and see, it is now rotating correctly. Select this, try to rotate and see, it is rotating correctly. Make this value 0. For this one also make 0. Now select the IKFK switch, type here 1. This will show your IK controller. Select the IK controller, try to rotate, see, it is not reacting with your hand. So Ctrl G to undo. To fix this, select your IK handle controller, select this one and shift select or control select your wrist joint from your main chain, go to constraint, click orient constraint. Sorry, select the IK handle controller from your IK joint chain, select your IK wrist joint. See, from your IK joint chain, first select your IK handle controller, then select your IK wrist joint, go to constraint, click orient constraint. Now this time select this one, try to rotate and see. Now it is working. Ctrl G to undo. In this procedure, you can create hand controller with IKFK switch of your arm. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.